Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. Today we're going to have a look at Pacsafe's retractable cable lock. We're going to talk about why you need to own this and when you're going to use it. Okay, you know when you're traveling and you just want that extra bit of peace of mind? This little gadget is a game changer. It's the Pacsafe Retractable Cable Lock. It's super lightweight, it fits right in your hand, but it's tough enough to lock up your backpack, suitcase, or even your day bag while you grab a coffee or step away for a minute. Now what's cool is the steel cable that pulls out and retracts, so you can loop it around a chair, a railing, or your luggage handle, whatever you need to secure. It's one of those small things that just makes traveling feel a lot safer. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so there are 3 buttons on this. It looks like there's more because of the bumps here, but this one here releases the cable. So push that in and it allows you to pull the cable out. When you release it, the cable stops coming out. And then you pop it in this little hole. I'll show you right there. Fits right in. And then this one here releases the cable from here. And then to get the cable to go retract back in, we're gonna push this button, but hang on to it because it'll whip back because it's really fast. Now this one here changes the combination. So I'm gonna show you how to use that in a second. So this lock is actually called the Pacsafe 250 and it has a cable length of about 35 inches. There are so many times when a little extra security just gives you peace of mind while traveling, like when you arrive early at a hotel and you have to leave your bags in a luggage room or by the front desk. You hope everything's fine, but it's still sitting there unattended. Locking your bags together makes them a little less of a target and a lot harder to walk off with. Now, when we were in Italy this summer, on the bullet train, our big suitcase had to sit in the luggage area right next to the exit door, and honestly, it felt a little unnerving. I wish I had this lock for that trip. Being able to lock that big suitcase to a post or even just my other bags would have given me such peace of mind. Now think about when you're traveling as a family, it's super easy to get distracted. You sit down for dinner at the airport, there's a pile of luggage beside the table, but no one's really watching it. And that's when this little Pacsafe lock comes in handy. It takes seconds to use and it keeps everything connected, so it's much harder for anyone to grab and run. Pacsafe makes great, well thought out products like anti-theft or anti-pickpocket backpacks, day packs, and crossbody bags that we always travel with. I have lots of Pacsafe videos on my channel for you to check out if you're not familiar with this company. Now, if the Pacsafe retractable lock looks like something that you could use on your next trip, check out the links for this lock and some of our favorite day packs I've added below in the description. Now, be sure to use my code Tinagirl10 to enjoy a 10% discount on the Pacsafe website. Now let's have a look at how to change the combination on the Pacsafe retractable cable lock. The lock comes preset to 0000. On the right hand side near the top, you'll see a small round button. To set your own combination, make sure the lock is in the open position, meaning the cable isn't locked in. While holding that little button down, turn the dials to your new combination. Once you've set your numbers, release the button and then pull the cable out. That locks in your new code and your combination is now set. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell. Leave me a comment. I want to know when you might use the Pacsafe retractable cable lock. Remember to check out those links that I added below and use my code Tinagirl10 for your discount. Here are a few videos you might enjoy watching next. I'll see you again soon on Tinagirl Travels.